Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to perform open up fake shot. To perform open up fake shot, we have to press and hold L1, then press circle and X, and in the end move left analog. It works better after sprint. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.